So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to add Team Showcase to your Wix website. So go for this website called lsat.com and now go for widgets, and in the fact section down here go for Team Showcase. Now click on this button called create widget, and as you can see guys, here are a bunch of templates. You can choose any one you like, and after choosing one you have to click on continue with this template. Now guys, you can also customize the images and names and however you want to customize it, and here also like its layout and style, whatever it is. And after finishing it, click on add to website. Now guys, you just have to sign up for a LSAT account, and now click on this save button. Now choose this subscription and click on this code to copy it. Now come to your editor.wix.com and go for add elements. Now guys, go for embed code and now go for HTML. Now guys, click on this box and paste the code you have just copied, and now click on this update button. And as you can see guys, the Team Showcase on my Wix website is here. And if you find this video interesting and helpful, then please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.